If you're new here, here's what's happening. Hi, welcome back to the Flunky Mocks Challenge, where every episode I give Aman an IGCSE paper to try. Someone who sat these exams 6 years ago, and for some reason, the some reason being me, he agreed to actually do these again. So let's start with today's paper. I gave him his favorite subject in the whole world, chemistry. This is how it went.
Since you guys wanted to see me suffer, I'm literally doing one of the worst subjects ever. I hate chemistry. I was supposed to drop it in year 11, and here Hirel is giving me chemistry multiple 2. The multiple choice questions, which is paper 2 for May June 2024. So, anyway, let's see how this goes. Question 1. A gas is heated and the pressure is kept constant. Okay, so which statement describes the behavior of the particles in the gas? So we know that when the gas is heated, the particles will move faster. So that means this is gone, and option D is also gone. So it's either A or B. The particles move faster and become closer together, or become further apart. If they are moving faster, they should be moving further apart, right?
Wow!
I'm gonna pick B for this one. Alright, let's move on to question 2. A mixture of ice and water is left to stand and the ice melts. Which row describes what happens as the ice is melting?
What?
I read that question, but I forgot to understand it. A mixture of ice and water is left. So, for question 16, which reaction?
I just finished editing and grading his paper, and he scored a whopping 29 out of 40, which, to be honest, for someone who did this 6 years ago and doesn't like chem, that's pretty good. And if he can do this 6 years later, you definitely can do it before your mocks. So get on with it. This was episode 1, a little too easy in my opinion, so stay tuned for our next episode and let's see what I give him next. And be sure to follow us to see how the rest of this series goes.